Good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn and Apply with Muri. Today we're going to learn just two functions, is large and small functions. How to calculate first largest, first smallest, second largest, second smallest, third largest, or third smallest, or nth largest, or nth smallest value in any data. So this is my fifth largest. Let me show you how to calculate equal to large function. Return the kth largest value in any data set, for example, the fifth largest number. This is my array, since column is my array. Okay, let's do everything plus F4. Then K let me give fifth largest. So it means 732. Let me just. The first largest is 9K, second is 900. First largest is 1706, second is 9K. As you can see, third is 911, fourth is 907, fifth is 730. Go. Similarly, we can calculate for smallest number. As the case, smallest value in your say. For example, fifth smallest number. This is the array. And fifth smallest is 22. First smallest is 7. Second is 15. Third is 16. Fourth is 19. And fifth is 22. That's all for today's video. Now I hope you enjoy my videos. Just like my video and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I'll posting on more and rank, minimum math-based function and text-based functions. Thank you, everyone. Please do like my video and subscribe to my channel.